Hi, this video is going to show you the advantages and how seamless the integration between the Koha ILS system and your EBSCO Discovery service. We're here on the Koha OPAC, where your users will have the ability to search the catalog here, or also search the database, which will search your EDS through the journals, articles, and databases that your library has. A subject or term or terms can be entered into the search box. There will be an option to choose from other options that are provided in a drop-down menu. Once that search has been created, the user will be brought to results both in the catalog of your Koha system as well as your EDS service. This is a seamless integration that would allow your user to just do a one-stop search. I'm able to go ahead, make that search, and see everything that I have and the library is providing for me through this search. I have the facets that will either limit or expand my search over on the left. You can see there's my limit to, I can look at full text. I can also go ahead and go back right back to a catalog only search, searching my library's catalog. I can expand my search, and then I can also refine it by subject, publisher, publication, geography, category, and as finally content provider. Lots of abilities to change and refine that search that I've created. As I scroll back to the top of my results, I'm going to be given a research starter at the top, which would give the user a broad view of this subject that I searched. With this EDS integration, I'm able to see anything that my library has in their catalog in addition to what is in the EBSCO discovery layer. So you can see this first result is actually something that's in my library and available for loan. As you can see, it's in my main library, and I can go ahead and put a hold on that right from this screen. I'm also able to see other results, such as a PDF full text option. So we can link right out to that PDF full text, which is fantastic. If I click the title of the result, I'm able to get a little bit more information. And if I am signed in, which I am, I'm able to go right into this PDF full text. So your user doesn't have to leave the area that they are. They have access to it right from the Koha OPAC. You can see it opened into a new tab. So I'm going to pop back over to my OPAC and go back to that search that I had created. Now, of course, as we saw at the very top, I have the ability to go ahead and change that and limit that just to the catalog only items. So I could access some resources through the discovery service and then go ahead and find out what my library has. Not restarting my search, I'm able to do that all within those facets and being able to refine those. Your library's cataloging materials, that is going to be harvested without any manual intervention, and it will populate into this integrated catalog system with your EDS. So what your library has in their catalog, as well as what is provided through EDS, will all show up for your user, which is fantastic. And thank you for watching.